Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gesture set, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and your device will show you the recents. And if you've got the three buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with this rectangle icon and two lines next to it. This is the recents. So let's tap on it, and here we've got them, so the opened apps. If you want to, you can close them manually one by one just by swiping them up, but if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to either go to the very left and tap on clear all. However, I don't think that it makes a lot of sense because we've got this option right here, clear all. So let's tap on it. We've got this information, how many apps were opened and how many of them we've closed. So we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.